In this video, we'll walk through the steps to create a new slider module that can be added to your homepage or any modular page on your site. First, navigate to the part of the CMS where you want the slider to appear, whether that be in the homepage or in another modular page. For example, we'll look at additional departments and then homepage. You'll notice there's already an existing slider in this department, which is currently visible on the site. If we want to add another slider, we begin by creating a new department. Click New Department and name it. For this example, we'll call it Slider 2. Next, navigate to the Custom tab, then change the module type to Slider. You'll now see the slider module appear at the bottom of the page layout. You can drag it to the desired position. We're placing it just below the first slider. To add content to the slider module, double-click the new slider department and then select New, and select Content. You can add in images here. Let's say we want to include 2 images in this slider. Start by creating a new content item and name it Image 1. Go to the Image tab and choose the image file you'd like to use. This must be in JPG or PNG format. We'll use a placeholder image for this demonstration. The slider module will work best if all images put into the content item are the same size. Set the image to main image to ensure it displays properly in the slider. If you'd like to overlay text on the image, go to Description and enter it into the text field. Then save. To add a second image, click New Content Item and then name it Image 2. Make sure each content item has a unique name. Add your image and add content as required and click Save. To view the slider, go to Settings and clear the cache to make your changes visible on the live site. If you navigate to the home page, you'll see the new slider has been added just below the original one. Your images will display in a carousel, and any text you've included will be visible as an overlay.